All right, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, thank you for joining the GD. And the topic for today is: should marijuana be legalized in India? So, this is the topic. I'll be giving you, let's say, 2 minutes. I'll be giving you until 10:14 to think about the topic, and to unmute yourselves, and we can have a GD. Right? Thank you. The topic once again is: should marijuana be legalized in India? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are starting. The GD will last for exactly 30 minutes, so until 10:45. Uh, from now, you can unmute yourself and let's begin.
Yeah. So should I?
Sure, anyone can.
Yeah. So I think that marijuana, I can't pronounce. Can someone tell me the pronunciation?
Marijuana.
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 Okay. Yeah. So marijuana should be legalized. The first reason is that it will eliminate the illegal trade and crimes associated with it.
We can't hear you, Vishalakshi.
Yeah.
Vaishalakshi, are you there? Are you having some connectivity issues or is the point over?
The point is not over. She is not able to talk, I think.
No,
The
no, no.
internet is not
I
working.
was talking. I was talking.
Okay,
Yeah.
you broke up in the middle. You can start again.
Oh, you start
Okay,
again.
so
Yeah.
I think that marijuana should be legalized. The first reason is that it will eliminate the illegal trade and associated crimes with it. The second is that, as we know that
Exactly at the same point, she lost
Yes.
again.
Yeah,
She lost.
Vaishalakshi, you're losing connectivity.
Yes.
Okay, so
I would.
can anyone else speak? And
Yes.
if Vishalakshi gains connectivity, she can talk again.
I would like to talk about on the topic like should marijuana be legalized in India? I would not prefer. Like first of all, I would like to talk about the marijuana. What is marijuana? See, it's kind of a weed, weed or like a charas kind of a thing that actually come up in India or from the weed factories that are that farmers actually grow up around their farms, and these are the kind of a thing that actually help you to go to the higher world. The second thing is that I would not prefer to actually legalize marijuana in India, because in many other countries, if we see that, for example, if we talk about USA, marijuana is legalized there, but in some extent, because like for medicinal purposes, we can actually use marijuana because it actually can provide you with other health benefits. But if we talk about India, if we talk about India and the customers who actually use marijuana, they actually try to use it in a very a higher proportion, and that can actually lead to different ailments, or they can actually go into coma situation. These kind of things are not clear. This kind of a thing should not happen in India. And as we can see, my opinion is related to the is opinion my opinion is related to the perception that India doesn't have that kind of a limit kind of a thing inside them, so that they can actually use marijuana for a medicinal purpose. Yes, it can be used, but only for a medicinal purpose.
Yes, I would like to counter Agash's point. Uh, my opinion is that marijuana should be legalized not only in India, everywhere around the world. Because until 1985 in India, it was legal. Only during the time of drug war in US, it became illegal all over the world. And now, if we see the trend all over the world, the countries in which it is illegal are legalizing it, and the reverse is not happening anywhere around the world. So we just have to think, why would be they doing that? Are they all fools? No, because and just take the example, it's the developed countries like the European countries like Portugal, places like Amsterdam, Canada. In such countries, it's legal where there are high economic activity going on, everything. And countries with the peace index at the last, like Syria, India, and all, it is illegal. So we have to think in that perspective also. And there are a lot of taboos related to it. We have wrong perception and understanding that even such kind of things we can classify into many, like some drugs which are addictive, or kind of euphoric drugs are addictive. Then there are something that athletes use to increase the energy, but this kind of psychedelic drugs are never addictive, and they can be used for recreational purpose as well. And in many cases are going on in the Supreme Court as well, like great legalization movement and all. It has a vast number of medicinal usages, and it's not as problematic as the cigarette or alcohol or any other thing. All these things are legal over here. Then why should we make illegal a plant that is a natural source? Imagine if tomorrow someone comes and says everyone has to use an oxygen mask. You cannot use it because it's dirty or polluted. And if we suddenly get conditionalized to it, it's like this. It's a natural substance that's growing around us, and with a long history of taboos and our notions, we are having a no to this side. So by concluding, I just have to ask you one question: why is all over the world the trend, like all the countries in which it is illegal is legalizing, and not the reverse is happening anywhere around? And it seems to be progressing countries who are doing that. So with this question, I would like to ask to all the people who do not support legalizing marijuana in India.
I would
I would like
continue
to
with,
add to
yeah.
Abhishek's point. I would like to add to Abhishek's point. So there are two things to everything. If you see cigarette or liquor, people use it either for recreational purpose or people use it for addiction. Now, I'll tell you, even if water, you are addicted to water, it's a bad thing for you. So anything which is addictive, it is definitely bad. But if you see it in other way, if you see it in a recreation way, or if you see people taking it as for medicinal use, it is definitely far better than cigarette and liquor. And if that is legalized in India, I think why not this marijuana?
Yeah,
Secondly,
and
there are health benefits, and anyways, it is being smuggled illegally. We all know what exactly the situation in India is about marijuana and weed. And there is one human psychology. If you tell them not to do a thing, they are going to do it more. So even in India, if I tell to you about youth, since I'm a part of youth, I know it better. They're doing it just for show off, or they're doing it just to look cool or something like that, or they're doing it under wrong influence just because it is illegal in India. If it is legalized, then that thing won't be there. That human nature won't be there. So they'll take only if it is for recreation purpose or for medicinal use. So that's my point. That's what I would end.
I would like to continue with the point saying that, like, if we talk about the Indian economy, see, most of the Indian economy get benefit from the liquor, from the liquor from the liquor sale. Okay, so higher proportion is coming from those subjects that are actually related to making a person's life really more comfortable. So if we talk about marijuana, see if it is like, yeah, if I talk about the human psychology, or if I talk about doctor medicinal purposes, doctors actually say that if you actually have liquor in a really good proportion, it will be much better. Like every single day, if you have a liquor in a for
Yeah.
like in a good proportion, it will be really benefit for you. The same goes for the marijuana. If you actually having in a really good proportion, then it is really medicinal. Then it is really good for you. But if we talk about the human
Definitely.
psychology, we can say that most of the people who are actually having marijuana illegally, they're actually using it just to get into a more comfortable situation. Because of that, they are not able to their psychology or their brain, the thinking ability goes down, and they are not able to think properly. For example, many of the accidents that are actually happening in India is because of the liquor or the marijuana practices, because people are actually getting influenced by that. They're driving their car, or they're actually moving inside the city really carelessly. For example, if you talk let's talk about a hypothetical condition. Okay, if you talk about a person who's actually walking on a road having a marijuana, or after having a joint, okay, he will be actually crossing a road without any intention to look left and right. Okay, and this kind of a situation can lead to a drastic accident, which can actually cross all the limits, I would say. So if we actually legalize marijuana, these conditions will actually excel more, and if we excel more, and this will actually lead to more drastic accidents. So I would say, in the prefer of saying marijuana should be legalized, it should be legalized in a it should not be legalized in a holy condition where you can actually buy it from the chemist or anything. But it should be given to that person if the doctor is actually prescribing it before the hand. And if it is actually if that person is using it in a medicinal purpose, then it is right. But if he's actually going for every single day just to create an emotional balance, then it is a wrong purpose. Then it will be wrong, and it will be actually wrong for a whole life.
Yes, I would like to complete my point. I think that it should be legalized. It will also increase the revenue of the government, as it will be taxed after legalization. It also has many benefits, like it can cure many diseases like cancer, and many more. It will create job opportunities, as now the production is illegal. No one wants to join it, or no one is willing to join it as a job opportunity. So it can create job opportunities, and the production is happening in very rare areas, and government is not if it is legalized, people can have the access to them, and so their income will also increase.
Okay, so answering to Abhishek's question, the question he asked, like why in certain countries it's legalized and why in our countries not. Basically, what I think is the cultural differences matter. Even beef is banned in India, so you can't say like the Americans consume beef, so we can also, right? Not talking about the thing like why it should not be legalized, because we have a a large population of youth who is not educated properly, and they'd like to consume it just for their emotional stability on a day-to-day basis instead of using it as a medicine. And like not only me, but almost all of you would have experienced this in your UG days, like how things go with students and how the performance drops down. So like I would not be actually saying that it should not be legalized, but legalizing it with proper rules and regulations is what I think should be done. And before that, we need to educate the youth of how to use it. Then only we can think about legalizing marijuana in India. That's all.
I would
I
like
want
to.
to
Okay, you go on.
I would like to add a few points regarding why it should be legalized, because most of you have already given so many points regarding its benefits of it will eliminate illegal trades and medical benefits and all. And the one of the most important point, considering in India, it marijuana has addiction rate very low as compared to other drugs like alcohol and cigarettes and all. Okay, and it will not only it will not only help because if we talk about particular areas like Himachal Pradesh, okay, there marijuana is naturally, it is very natural to grow marijuana there, but making it illegal, the farmers who are living in Himachal Pradesh, they are not getting the money for that. Okay, so it will help locals there after the government, if government legalizes it. So of course, and the most important thing, like harmfulness, if we talk about harmful effects of marijuana, the quality matters a lot, because if you are consuming a bad quality marijuana, so the harmful, if the side effects might be more, but legalizing it will enhance the quality of the product as well. People will go for the good quality of the product. So these are my other points related to all what have already been said.
As my friend Abhishek was talking about that in 1985, the marijuana was illegalized in India. See, what was the reason behind it? If I talk about the doctor, if I talk about the economists, they actually took this decision on the basis of the rating that were actually happening inside the India, that the things that were actually happening inside India, and they are actually still projecting over all those things. They're not illegaling. Why the doctors are not saying that we should legalize them? They're actually they are not doing that because of the same basic reason, because seeing the mentality of Indians, we try to use all the things in a really larger proportion. So like if they actually think that if it is actually legalized, let's say if marijuana is legalized, so the major proportion will be coming, like as many other people have said, that the major proportion of tax will be coming there. People will be the government will be getting revenue from that, and we can actually have a really good economy. But do you really want your country to actually grow in this basis? You want your country to go to have a good revenue on the basis of marijuana and on the basis of liquor, because right now the same conditions are actually happening right now. If you see all the indexes, if you see the income tax rate, the income tax that is actually collected from India, and the revenue that is actually collected, our liquor sale is actually getting at the top of the list. And after legalizing marijuana, that is already getting, that is, if we talk about illegal practices, it is actually produced in a really good manner, and people are actually buying it in a really good stage. Okay, they are the people who are actually selling them already getting so much amount of big revenue. So if we actually legalize them in the Indian country, so what do you think? That the revenue will definitely rise, but it will not be a good way to project our Indian revenue, or to project our GDP on the basis of marijuana. I would like to say that.
I would like to add a point here. So I was listening about how it impacts the GDP in a positive way, but that is not entirely a good process to the what to say, the good nature of Indians, or how it will be harmful to the people. I would like to say that India is conservative in a lot of ways. For example, I would like to say that sex is one of the most basic things that's happening everywhere, and we are not really open to the publicness of the intimacy or any kind of PDA in India, but that doesn't mean it is a bad thing. Similarly, marijuana, wherever it is being used, there are a lot of illegal trade also happening. There is a lot of legalities that are being associated with it, but still having a legal trade in the field of marijuana will give a lot of quality to the product, as Abhishek was telling before, and this would definitely bring down the deaths that are being caused because of the use of drugs in quantity that is not supposed to be taken and all. When government channelizes this particular thing, I'm definitely sure that people will start to realize what the product is without even realizing a lot of them are consuming. So that will be my basic points. And I also would like to say that the government is introducing a lot of Make in India stuff. This drug dealing is one thing that is happening. Like if we channelize it in a proper way, and people really want a kind of release, or if they want it to use for medical purposes, say for pain relievers and for anti-depression and all, I am very sure that the government can bring up with plans. We are no one to create the rules that are to say things are legal or illegal, but all we can say is how you should behave in a public forum, because that will affect one other people. It's not about legalizing or illegalizing the product. It is about how the product is being introduced into the society. I can understand
Yeah.
Akash's concern of how the liquor is being one of the major tax bringers to the country, how tobacco is playing a major role in the GDP. But I still guess these products, since they are in a legal forum, it is way much better than them being in a legal forum. So this is my opinion.
I would like to contradict Akash's point. It is said that one cannot overdose marijuana. So that is the one thing that we can control. And if we legalize it, government can ban restrictions on some ban restrictions on the overdose or usage. Like marijuana can be used for the medical purpose. So that's it.
I would like to counter first Shubham. He said that we can see in college how it impacts. My point is exactly opposite of that, because in the countries in which it is legalized, they have high production, high economy and all. The reason why we see that is because now it's illegal, and only the people who have some kind of guts used to do that. So it's an unfortunate bias. Such people only. So we expect that if everyone used that, everyone would be like that. No, once it's legalized, even office going CEO, everyone would smoke it. So it won't affect in any way the productivity. And the another thing he told about cultural difference. See, I'm not going much deeper into the beef issue which he has told, but let me talk about here in India. In Indian culture, Shiva, the god which is considered by many Indians, actually used to smoke this, and in his portrait itself, his smoking chillum is given. So and the Rastafari culture in Jamaica, those people, it is just like the Rastafari, it's part of Indian culture as well. So we cannot say that point also. Then one thing Akash told was that, see, if one smoke a joint and cross a road, they would not look this side or that side. Like only 7% of the people are like addictive to marijuana. Like we can say that if once if smartphones are introduced into the market, if they would just look into the smartphone, they would not see anywhere such accident would happen. Phone using phone while driving, etc., causes accident. So do we ban that? No. See, here the point is, what is the problem for this marijuana? It does not have any problem as though, like, or addiction is not there. Like it's not having any problem. It's and a bonus is it can be used as a medicine as well, recreational as well. So on what basis? Thinking on a liberal sense, see, when we are telling to legalize it, we are not promoting or publicizing that everyone should use that. No, just let it be legal, and those who want, they can use that. Those who have problem don't have to use that. But on what basis are they making it illegal? And 1985, it was a drug war related to US. So US itself agreed that that was not the correct way. They made it illegal in a wrong way, and Nixon had agreed that. Now they have corrected that. India just followed that. That's why it became illegal in India, but India is not correcting it now. So this is what I have to say.
What I feel is that this is not I would say like we can actually use marijuana in a medicinal purpose, and if we actually legalize it, then it is a really good stage for our country also. And seeing all the points that has been given by Abhishek, they are really valid. I'm not saying wrong to them, and they are actually. If I talk about cultural differences and all the legal practices that are actually happening in India, we should actually legalize. We should actually legalize is marijuana, but still, like right now, what are the conditions that why the people are still not actually confronted to the marijuana? Why they're actually not going for that? Still, you can say that marijuana is available illegally, so why they are not actually using it? So if you talk about a medicinal purposes, people can do anything to actually get in a good condition. So they can actually buy marijuana in a easier purposes. It's like happening behind the curtain. The thing is actually happening behind the curtain. Just to say that it is illegalized, we can't say that it is not happening. It is already happening. People are getting revenue there. Yeah, people are actually using marijuana, but still, like if we actually open that curtain and give them full proportion toward that, okay, then we can say that those people who are actually using it will use it in a more open manner. Then you can see every single person, instead of having a cigarette, they will be moving around with a joint. Okay, they will be having a class. You can see the children, or you can actually say the students who are actually sitting in the class, they will be having instead of having a cigarette, or instead of having a liquor, they will be sitting in a class with a joint. And if a teacher will say anything to them, like whatever they will actually be able to provide them with a situation that it is actually legalized in India. And yeah, still on the hypothetical condition that doesn't happen in a class, but still you can say that, like, in an illegal manner, it does happen in the class. We all have done that, and it's still there. So I would not say it is like a really big thing that they're making it legalized or illegalized. People are using it, and people will use it. And giving it a
All right, guys, let me remind you, only 5 minutes are left in the GD. So any closing points or anybody who has not spoken up till now, please do so. And we'll wrap up the GD soon. Thank you.
I would like to add a different point
Can I say?
to it.
yes, Rajlika, you can go.
Yeah, I do not have much data about marijuana, but whatever I've listened and I just read a little. I am from a college where everybody used to take marijuana, like weed. So the major reason why it is not legalized in this country, I think I think Akash spoke about it, that a major revenue comes from tobacco and of course alcohol. So if we legalize marijuana, what will happen is, whoever has taken both the things, people will prefer to have marijuana, and that would affect our GDP. Saying that it is on a larger whole, it is going to impact the economy, because people can just grow weed at their houses. It's highly possible. I know people who actually grow weed. So if we legalize it, a major revenue will be dropped. Other than that, there are some other points. See, there is a sociology of science. Basically, what reports we read today keeps on changing. One of the specific kinds of reports say that having marijuana slows you down. It just lessens your productivity. There are many counter documents which say that it doesn't happen like that. For some people, it actually increases your attentiveness. I have seen even professors talking about having weed and then sitting for exams, but I have also seen people getting severely weak because they have weed every day. So if we basically legalize marijuana, what happens is that a major drop in revenue happens, and it is not something a very heavenly thing which should be there. Like, it's not something good which should be there. Yeah, there is illegal trade of marijuana. It's very risky, as Abhishek said. It's just more deteriorating. I think we should focus more on how it can be curbed, not thinking about legalizing it. So I am against legalizing marijuana.
So in conclusion, I would like to, hopefully that I can conclude right now. I would like to say that everyone may have a point stating that why, most of us have a point stating that why marijuana must be legalized. As a conclusion, I would like to say that black money is also not legal in this country. We are trying to bring it into a legal form. Similarly, marijuana is not legal in our country, but bringing marijuana into the legal circle will definitely improve the product and definitely will make us accountable. Around the year, we have a lot of people taking in without knowing the side effects. But when it is legalized, people will definitely get to know, at least 2% or 3%, they will get to know how to use this particular item. This will definitely contribute to a better human value in our country. And also, there will be a lot of researches that will happen. I'm sure this can lead to secondary benefits in terms of health and medicinal properties also. So I would like to conclude saying that there are both sides to the legalizing and illegalizing of this marijuana, and government must take a proper decision in accordance with all the points taken into consideration.
All right. I think we can end the GD with that. Some great points have come up, and yeah, the GD officially is over, but please do stay back for 5 minutes or so for the feedback session and just a general discussion. Thank